The well-padded and easily adjustable straps and harness are made from premium materials, ensuring breathability and ultimate wearable comfort. Designed together with leading ergonomists, this unique body-molded frame brings the center of gravity closer to the user to ensure optimal positioning. The clear dome lid makes it easy to see when it's time to empty and can be fitted to seat both left and right-handed people by simply rotating. The uniquely designed offset inlet and lid shape create a cyclonic effect to help lift dust from the bottom of the bag, ensuring maximum airflow. The reusable SMS dust bag is easy to clean and made with quality material, ensuring high levels of filtration. For an extra level of filtration, we also recommend using either the disposable paper dust bag or the SMS dust bag to provide you with better dust retention and make disposal easier. This will also improve the longevity of the reusable dust bag and maintain the performance of the machine for longer. The patented snorkel-like HEPA-rated HYPERCONE filter ensures consistent cyclonic airflow through the machine as the dust bag fills, maintaining higher levels of suction and keeping the motor cool. The commercial-grade 1000-watt specialized bypass motor delivers additional motor protection for areas where accidental suction of liquid may occur, while providing superior power, resulting in enhanced performance and longer motor life. The 18-meter durable extension lead conveniently allows the user to cover a larger area without having to move power sockets. The rubberized cord restraint prevents cord disconnection resulting from the extension lead getting caught on an obstacle or from overextending. The hose assembly comes complete with a commercial-grade, lightweight plastic bent handpiece and a screw-fit machine end connector. Constructed from durable materials, this 1.2-meter hose allows for convenient reach. The two-piece chrome-coated wand is both durable and easy to store. Users can adjust their reach by utilizing one or both pieces, designed with a push-fit connection to make assembly simple. The all-purpose floor tool has been designed for use on both low-pile carpeted surfaces as well as on hard floors. Its low-profile design and high-quality, lightweight construction allows for easy maneuvering and access around obstacles for a thorough clean. The dusting brush is ideal for lifting dust and dirt from soft and hard floor surfaces. It can also be used as an accessory for cleaning areas such as window blinds, lampshades, and textured surfaces. The CREVICE tool is slender-shaped with an angled tip, allowing thorough cleaning of areas such as skirting boards, door trims, windows, and window ledges. The upholstery tool is specifically designed for cushions, chairs, car interiors, and other upholstery surfaces. Fitted with 2 lint strips which help to lift dust, cotton, and lint from textile and upholstery surfaces with ease.